I'm outside now. It is starting. I'm starting to see some snow flurries. The storm is moving in as we speak. Thought I'd catch it on here. See, the sky is really dark. It's like, and here comes the snow. It's starting to blow. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gonna get worse from here. And so I'm outside right now. You can kind of see it. But yeah, here comes the snow. It's starting to fall down. It is 4 p.m. Utah time as we are recording this storm. Giving too. Wow. This is crazy. It's like really crazy. It's like blowing now. It's like the biggest in a long time. I really haven't seen it like this for like a long time. It really is bad. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's crazy. Let's go up higher of the tree. It's crazy. And I actually got this on tape. The storm wasn't moved in. This is craziness though. I mean, seriously. I mean, look at our sidewalk. Hang on. See, you can see on the sidewalk. It's like blowing snow on the sidewalk now. It's like accumulating. And it's accumulating fast. Look at the sidewalk. You can see it piling up. And like in the grass. See, it's piling up fast. See that? But, see, look at this. This is crazy. It's like bad. It's like a crazy storm. I haven't seen one like this for like a long time. I know I keep saying that, but it's true. This is bad. This is way bad. Whew. It is now 5 o'clock. Exactly 1 hour later since the first part of the video that I started at 4. Now look at this. This is like, see, that's the road. That's out in the road. You cannot see anything. That's like the road. It's like bad. Look at that. That's the road. You can't even see. And look at the ground now. And you can't even see anything. See, look, here comes a car. And you can tell. Here comes another one. See, like, you cannot even see. It's like crazy. This storm is bad. It's getting worse. Look at that. See that truck over there? You can't even see it. It's like bad. This visibility is bad. It's getting colder too. You know what? I'm gonna stop. This is too cold. But yeah, look at that. It's just 1 hour later since the first thing, and it's gotten this worse. This much worse. It's bad. Anyways, sorry the camera's shaking. I'm just so cold. So I'm gonna cut this hair. But yeah, look at that. You can't even see anything. The visibility is really bad. And here we go. Turn it off. So that's ground. That's the sidewalk now. Okay. It is now 6 o'clock, and I thought I'd film one more time to show you what it's like now. Look at the ground now. See, there's all this snow packed on. See? It's like, now it's packing in. See? Visibility is still really bad. See? And it is 6 o'clock now. 2 hours since I first started this film. So that's how much it's changed. See? Snow again. bad. See, visibility still bad. So, but this is now at 6 o'clock Utah time. And I'm going to end this here.